What's going on, Rodders? Welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into these awesome Ed Roth stash ads that I got some exciting channel news for you guys. We just recently started a Facebook group called Scale Rodder Collective Model Car Club. And this is a group where you guys that follow the channel can come over, share your builds, swap tips, and get first dibs on fun challenges like group builds. And we'll start those once we get a solid crew together. So this is your invite to go ahead and hop on over to the Facebook group, Scale Rodder Collective Model Car Club, and join the Scale Rodder Collective crew. All right, let's go ahead and check out these stash ads. So the first kit that I have here is the Revell Ed Roth Tweety Pie 2. I've had this in the stash for a while now, since April, because I got it for my birthday. And I figured this would be a perfect video to go ahead and bring it out, since it is an Ed Roth kit that I believe I haven't shown on the channel yet. So, it is open, but it is sealed. So it should be a fun kit to build once we get to it. It is a skill level 3. Really nice box art. And there's a picture of the model built up. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. So the next stuff I got is more like rebuilders, but we have an Ed Roth Road Agent. I originally got this to possibly do some custom cars. It does need some TLC, so I'm not sure if I will be hanging on to this one. Like I said, I might use it for a custom, but I believe it is an early Revell kit from the clear glass. I guess a lot of the newer Revell Road Agent kits that they put out had the pink tinted glass. So I guess it is a scale survivor somewhat. But if you guys know more information on that, then let me know. Then we have the Ed Roth Outlaw by Revell. Just the frame and body with the motor. But maybe we'll be able to do something with that. Again, maybe custom or something. Then we got a parts kit, again, for possibly doing some sort of custom with. The Hot Rod edition of the Ed Big Daddy Roth Mysterion. So it's missing some stuff, but it has a lot of the pieces still there. So there's the body, the bubble top assembly. Got 2 motors. Got more of the body. And the wheels, or at least wheels that will work for the kit. And we got some chrome pieces down here and the instructions. So I'll go ahead and put this stuff back in the box. It does have it labeled, I believe, on the bottom what it's missing, so I'll be able to let you guys know. It just says missing some small parts. But, like I said, probably going to do something with this. So, it's nice to have. Then we have another Mysterion. This is the their box art for it. That's not the Hot Rod edition, but with the crazy Ed right there. Mysterion Big Daddy Roth's newest and wildest Revell authentic kits. So we got the Outlaw Tweety Pie and the Beatnik Bandit there. So it's sealed, but the box is not in the best shape. but nonetheless still have a really cool box art that isn't damaged at all. Really cool. And something to go with this, we have a Johnny Lightning Front E Lightning Mysterion in this red color with the blue bubble. It has Elvira on the card. So Johnny Lightning put out a lot of these Frightening Lightning Mysterions, green, blue. So tons of different colors. So got this one for the collection. But that's all I have for you on this one. Again, check out the group, Scale Router Collective Model Car Club. The link will be in the description as well as a pinned comment. And I'll put it up on the screen again so you guys can see it one last time before the video ends. Thank you guys very much for checking out the video. If you like this kind of video and you like this kind of channel where we do models and diecast and stuff like that, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and leave a comment down below. It's 100% free to do so, and it really does help the channel. So I really appreciate those that do that, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.